Hi, what's going on, everyone? Today's July the 7th, 2023. We're going to talk about Meta real quick and show you all how price could continue to be a buy, right? And it's real simple. It's not going to be a long video. I just want to show you how you can tell from an example that you're on the right side of the trade or the market. Now, we did a price prediction in the Meta right here on June the 18th. You can see our price prediction is looking for the market to continue to trend higher. But what happened yesterday has brought attention to this stock for me. Can you see it off of this chart right now? Just take a look at the price bars and the volume, and I want you all to see, do you notice anything odd? Do you see anything different that would make you want to perk up and say, I need to pay a little bit more attention to this stock now? Okay, if you guys don't see it, don't worry about it because I got you. This is what caught my attention in Meta. Okay, that volume bar right there. Yesterday, why did so much volume come into the market in Meta yesterday? What is so important about price in Meta trading from an open of $295.85 to a high? To a low of $291.31 to a high of $298.12. Who really came in and participated into the market yesterday in Meta? Because somebody did. That volume dictates that somebody, a huge player, came and played in the market in Meta. So when you look at that volume, as I always tell you, you always pay attention to the price bar as well. You got to combine them both because it's telling the story. That volume, you would expect to see a wider spread bar, right? You would expect the market to at least have a spread of the size of what occurred the day before. But we're not really seeing that now. The spread of this bar is a lot smaller than what it was yesterday or the 5th of July. A lot smaller. But the volume is definitely massive. We'll have to break down this daily price bar to an hourly time frame to see, okay, was it a lot of selling or was it a lot of buying going on in the market in Meta on yesterday? So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Let's do some investigations. Here is Meta on the 3-hour chart. And I think you guys can see what it was right here at 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock. These 3-hour price bars is where the sellers came in the market in Meta. Now, here it is on the 1 hour. So yesterday's trading day, it wasn't a very good trading day if you were a buyer. The market even opened, or at 7 o'clock, it even shown us weakness, an up fake and a push to go down bar all on 1 hour price bar. And the market could not even hold all that selling. The whole day price in Meta went down. Here it is on the 330-minute chart. Okay, so now the point of me doing this video is because I'm not going to change my price prediction, but you need to pay a little bit more attention off of this volume that came into the market in Meta. That's all I'm saying. Here it is on the 90-minute chart. Because if the buyers absorb the selling that occurred yesterday, then we can anticipate that our price prediction is not through. We can anticipate that the market in Meta is going to continue to go higher. So today's price action is going to be important. We want to see the market in Meta on today's price action close higher than yesterday's close. Because if that happens, then it tells me that the buyers did absorb whoever sold a lot of their meta in the market. That's what it's going to tell me. So I'm just going to kick back, pay attention, see how the price action works for today's trading. And in the end, if the market ends up higher on the close, then we already know what to expect. Because on the 2-day chart, we still have strength. The market is still reflecting strength. Even here on the 3-day. Here it is on the 5 and the weekly. Okay. So I do acknowledge that on these 5-day price bars, that the market here is getting hit with people selling in Meta. So to me, we may be topping out the market in Meta. So let me see what happens into the market in Meta today and see if the strength is still there, because the buyers has to buy. In order for price to continue to move up, they have to buy. Whoever is selling, there has to be equal and even more stronger interest of the buyers than the sellers in order for this market to continue to run. So I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Let me know what you guys think about what happened on yesterday's trading action, and if you think buyers are still there, because if they are, then our price prediction is still good. If they're not, then we may need to let this price prediction go and play the move to the downside in Meta. We'll see though. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.